Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. And I just wanted to give you a quick update on what I am looking at here on the ES, because we have had quite a big pullback here, and I know everybody is kind of wondering what is going on, right? Well, right now what I have for you here on the ES is I do have a two-step. That is when we see this pattern. I take a high to a low to this high, get some symmetry. Then I have an extension from this low to this high. And then I have a retracement from that low to this high, which is that 618 there. So the setup is 37.69 to 80. Now that is pretty wide zone there. So I want us to come down to the 120-minute chart and see what else we have. I do have a setup 37.8250 for you here on the 120-minute chart. It was not an exact hit today, but if that low from today is in place, this is the resistance that you're going to see on the way up. 38.59, 38.64 to 65, 38.72. Let me get that labeled for you there. And 39.14. And if that low from today is in place, your target is going to be 4,006 and 4,066. And you will see also that is going to be the same target there on the daily, 4,006, 4,066. And of course, you will have some resistance coming in around 39.14 there on the daily. All right, everybody, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.